In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts to Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're looking to customize your PDFs or simply insert text with a unique style, knowing how to add new fonts can make a big difference in your document creation process. Let's get started. First, you'll need to acquire the font file that you want to use. Make sure you're getting it from a reputable and trusted source. This is important not only for acquiring the design you want, but also for ensuring that the file is safe to install on your computer. Once you've downloaded the font file, you usually encounter a file format such as TTF or OTF, which are commonly used font file formats. Next, locate the font file on your computer. Once you've found it, you will want to right-click on the font file. A menu will appear with several options. From this list, select Install. This action installs the font into your system, making it available for use not just in Adobe Acrobat, but in other applications that allow font use. After clicking Install, the installation process will take place. This usually happens quite quickly, and you should see a progress bar pop up for just a few seconds. Once that installation is complete, it's essential to take a moment to make sure everything is set properly by restarting Adobe Acrobat. Even if you think it might not be necessary, restarting the application ensures that the newly installed font is recognized and usable within Acrobat. Now, let's open Adobe Acrobat. Once Acrobat is open, you will want to navigate to the Tools section. This can typically be found at the top of the screen for easy access. Click on that, and a new interface with a variety of options will be displayed. From the Tools menu, you'll want to go directly to Edit PDF. This is where most of the text manipulation takes place, including adding or editing text with different fonts. After selecting Edit PDF, look for the option to Add Text or Edit Text. This is your starting point for working with text within your PDF document. Now for the moment of truth. When you click to add or edit text, a font drop-down menu should appear. This menu allows you to select from all the fonts installed on your machine. Scroll through this list until you find the font you recently installed. If everything has gone correctly, the new font should appear here, ready for you to use in your document. And that's it. You've successfully added a new font to Adobe Acrobat, enhancing your document's potential for creativity and design. Remember, using a variety of fonts can not only make your document more visually appealing, but also help convey the right tone and message for your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.